Riya, where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Why are you going there?
I buying some vegetables.
Are you going alone?
Yes, I am going alone.
Are you taking a shopping bag?
Yes, I am taking one.
Do you have enough money?
Yes, I have enough money.
Did you make a shopping list?
Yes, I made a shopping list this morning.
Can I see it?
Sure, here it is.
I can see potatoes, tomatoes, onions, carrots, and spinach. Is that all?
No, I also need ginger, garlic, and green chilies.
Are you buying some fruits too?
Yes, I am buying apples, bananas, and oranges.
Are you buying milk?
Yes, I am buying 2 packets of milk.
Don't forget to buy bread.
Okay, Mom. I will buy it.
Are you taking your water bottle?
Yes, I am taking it.
Is your phone fully charged?
Yes, it is fully charged.
Are you carrying an umbrella?
Yes, I am carrying one because it may rain.
Are you walking or taking a bus?
I am walking.
Is the market far from here?
No, it is only 10 minutes away.
Will you buy fresh vegetables?
Yes, I always choose fresh vegetables.
How do you know which vegetables are fresh?
I look at their color and smell.
That's good. Don't buy damaged vegetables.
Don't worry. I will check everything carefully.
Are you meeting anyone there?
No, I am not meeting anyone.
What are you wearing today?
I am wearing a blue dress.
Are you wearing comfortable shoes?
Yes, I am wearing comfortable shoes.
Are you carrying a cloth bag?
Yes, I don't want to use plastic bags.
That's a good habit.
Thank you, Mom.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about making vegetable soup today.
That sounds delicious.
I hope everyone likes it.
Your father likes vegetable soup very much.
Yes, I know. I will make it for him.
Your little brother likes bananas.
I will buy some extra bananas for him.
Please check the prices before buying anything.
Yes, I will compare the prices.
If the vegetables are expensive, what will you do?
I will visit another shop.
That's a smart idea.
Thank you, Mom.
Please come back before lunch.
Okay, Mom. I won't be late.
Are you ready to leave now?
Yes, I am completely ready.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you, Mom.
Take care and come back soon.
Sure, Mom. Bye.